Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jenny and welcome to the Ver Travels. So, itong video na to is for all of my fellow Filipinos out there who have been requesting or have been messaging me about the JEP program application for 2024. Thank you so much guys for all the support. Ang layo na nang narating ng mini channel natin and mini pages. I am so happy. Thank you so much. And so, I am going to share with this to you guys this video para magkaroon kayo ng information about one of the most important factor ng application for the first screening, which is the statement of purpose. That's right. So if you have seen guys yung announcement video ko regarding sa message ng Japan Embassy, the application for the 2024 Japan Exchange Teaching Program will officially open by October in 2023! Woo! And while that's the case, yes, again, I would just like to remind you guys na please avoid po muna contacting the Japan Embassy directly because they are busy preparing for the dispatch of the 2023 jets na mga papunta na po dito sa Japan by the end of July. So, for now, their advice is for you guys to just follow the official Facebook page of the Japan Embassy in the Philippines para update kayo if open ang application and you can start submitting your requirements. Right, so anyway, going back to the topic. The first screening, yun yung kailangan yung i-focus on. And one of the very important aspect of the first screening is, as you all know, the statement of purpose. Yes, aside sa mga requirements na kailangan yung i-gather and i-verify and things like that, you need to make a 2 pages statement of purpose. Written po siya. Yes, ito po yung essay po natin. Typewritten siya guys, hindi written, but you have to write it on your own. This video is here to help you understand what a statement of purpose is, what should be done, what you should do in your statement of purpose, and ano yung goal niya, and just some tips and tricks. Disclaimer guys, I have been getting this a lot, like requesting for me to send them yung actual statement of purpose ko, and I'm just gonna say it up front guys na I'm sorry but I won't be doing that. Hindi ko po isi-send kahit kanino ang sample ng statement of purpose ko because may reason po dyan, hindi po ako madamot. It's just that the statement of purpose should be original and it should contain your own story. And gusto kong i-avoid na magbasa kayo ng mga statement of purpose ng iba and then to the point na hindi nyo namamalayan na you are already copying the flow and everything. And so it defeats our purpose of, yung goal natin na mapa-original po ang inyong statement of purpose because that's what's going to help your application. Okay? So, instead of asking for my statement of purpose, please just watch this video. Okay, so let's get started. So first, what is a statement of purpose? Okay, as simple as this guys. Statement of purpose is state ninyo yung purpose nyo sa pag-apply sa JET program. Bakit ka nag-a-apply sa JET program? Bakit mo gustong maging teacher sa Japan? And bakit mo gustong maging assistant language teacher kung, teacher ka na sa Pilipinas? So why be an assistant? So they need to know your goals and your intentions. They will judge that paper, guys. Trust me. They will so judge that paper. And depending on what your answers are in that statement of purpose, you will be able to pass the second screening or not. So, tight ang labanan, guys. Sa statement of purpose, you gotta take this seriously because, for example, in my batch, there was like 1,000 plus applicants. Pero, ang nakapasa lang sa amin sa second screening is like around 60 or so. So, talagang, wala ka sa kalahati, So, it's a really tough, very tight fight. And so, to be able to, na makalusot dun sa karayom na yun, you gotta, really put an effort on your statement of purpose. So, ang mahalagang gawin, guys, is for you to tell your story and your intentions in the most original way. Kasi ito na lang isipin nyo, guys. You have 1,000 other competitors who will apply for the JET program. So, bakit ikaw ang pipiliin ni Japan Embassy para makapasa sa second screening? So, you gotta make that paper make them say yes. And to be able to do that, I believe, and my number one advice to you guys is tell your story from the heart. Ikwento mo yung, alam niyo, your own story. That's the only way you're going to stand out, because there's nothing more original than telling your own story, kasi it won't be the same as anybody else's. Diba? It's your own. So, you gotta do that. You gotta get everything from your experience, your mind, and your heart. So just prepare it like that. Please avoid, copying other people's SOP, like lalo na word to word. Maganda na may flow po kayo, but make it natural. Make it like you're telling your story, not like rehearsed or like pang pageant type of writing. Kailangan lang may kwento nyo yung story nyo sa screening committee. Now, to be able to help so yun nga, Jenny Sensei, ikukwento ko nga yung sarili ko, but what do I start? Where do I start, diba? So, just to give you guys a quick guide, I believe that when you're writing a story, or your SOP, para lang yung may beginning, middle, and end when you're writing your paragraph, diba? Sa basics, sa English writing natin, beginning, middle, and end. And within those three, in the middle, you have to answer important questions such as why Japan? Why JET program? Out of all the assistant language teacher programs there are in Japan, why the JET program? Why Japan? Sa lahat ng bansa na makapagturo ka ng English, And what are your plans? Bakit gusto mong mag-JET? Anong goals mo? Personal and professional goals mo? And why do you think you're fit to be a JET participant? So, please remember those things. Sagutin nyo siya. Ilagay nyo siya sa beginning, middle, and end. And I believe that you will be able to make your very nice statement of purpose. Yes. Okay. And so, ang bilis lang pala niya, guys. Yun yung mga tips ko sa inyo. But maybe the last thing that kung nahihirapan pa rin kayo in starting your SOP, my last tip is to just take it easy, take it slowly. Kaya mahalaga na makapag-start ka ng early para wala kang writer's block, unti-untiin mo. I remember I had to rewrite mine like 5 times, and I had to have other people check it for grammar, for the content, just comments, and then magko-comment lang sila, and then I would revise it depending on how I see it. Ako pa din yung may final say, because it is my statement of purpose, and I want it to really be just original and to come from the heart, because I want the screening committee to feel na the JET program is really for me, and I did my best to be qualified, and talagang gusto ko siya, and I'm more than qualified, so they have to get me. So yun, guys, just remember that, and yeah, just be yourself. Get it talaga from kung ano yung hugot ninyo, and just tell your story. And don't be nervous, just take it easy, and just write from the heart talaga. Yun lang. So, ayun guys, I hope you got something kung paano nyo isusulat ang statement of purpose nyo. If you need like the format and stuff, guys, ilalabas nila yun sa application guidelines for sure, but ang alam ko lang is 2 pages siya based from the previous applications. 2 pages siya, and then may specific lang siya mga format, but you can search that, guys. Ang important is you know how to write it and what the content should be. And thank you guys so much. I hope that very quick video sharing was able to help you guys, and may you be able to start your statement of purpose and pass the initial screening. Thank you guys so much. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and share this video to anybody who wants to apply for the JET program. And thank you so much for all your support. Please follow me also on my Facebook page, and in TikTok, and in Instagram. So yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye!